Okay, hello. Here we are with the, well, this is actually a firefly puppy. The rest is Dapper Dan, Maddie, and we have a visitor. We have Retro Bear. Retro. She thinks she's a puppy, huh? Come here. Although it's not quite as great as she remembers.
It isn't. Oh, that's the thing.
Oh yeah, see, she's liking it less than she used to. Okay, if you're gonna be mean, then you gotta go away. You gotta go away. This one is just a ham. This is the last firefly puppy. It's leaving Friday, I believe. It's wonderful, sweet thing. You're a wonderful, sweet thing. Okay. Catch us, come on. So what do we got here? We've got puppies and microchips.
Puppies and Michael, don't leave yet. Daddy's got to get your number.
So this is 536 right here. And who are you? You're 348.
348.
And you? 889. 889. I know, we're gonna have to do the sexes at another time. We're racing daylight. Oh, 889. Who are you? That was 354 right there. And this one? 583. Who did you? 889. Well, don't know who that is. What was that? 328. This is the licking one here. That's 348.
Oh, look it. Here's Miss Pinkerton. Look at her.
Oh, you're very special. Hey, Retro, Daddy's filming. Miss Pinkerton.
Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're kind of sweet.
Okay, Daddy's filming. That was 328. Miss Pinkerton. She's a Penelope and Trek puppy. Wonderful litter. I don't know if there's gonna be any more. Penelope's paid her dues. 348. The firefly puppy. 889. 328 in the back. 354.
Hi, 354. It is good. Look at that beautiful face. Look at that beautiful face.
Okay. Why do we not have a chip in you? Oh, wow. It's way over there. 348. 348.
Oh, who are you?
354. This one is 583. There's a bunch of them. Let me tell you. There's a bunch. 9 exactly. 9. I don't know, man. Let's see that. Oh, you're a bit of a berserker, huh? Crows. There's crows. Love, leave him alone, please.